Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are doing top 10 biggest airports in the world. And only a tiny percentage of you guys who watch my videos are actually subscribed. Getting lesser and lesser. So on number 10 there is Suvarnabhumi International Airport. Okay. It is known to be the largest international airport in Southeast Asia, having opening operations in 2006. The airport is currently a main hub for Thai Smile, Bangkok Airways and Thai Vietjet. This airport is also known for BBK, and it is 32.4 square kilometers huge. Okay, now we are on number 9, Cairo International Airport, also known as CAI. It is 36.3 square kilometers huge. Cairo International Airport started its activity in 1945. The airport is located in Heliopolis, is the busiest airport in Egypt and a primary hub for Egypt Air and Nile. Cairo International Airport has 4 terminals, 3 major terminals for both international and domestic flights. On number 8 then is Shanghai Pudong International Airport, also known as PVG. It is 39.1 square kilometers huge. The airport started its commercial services in 1999. Shanghai Pudong Airport is a major aviation hub for Shanghai Airlines and China Eastern Airlines (CIAH) and CEA, also known as Pudong Airport has 2 major passenger terminals, Terminal 1 and Terminal 2, operate domestic and international flights. Third terminal has been planned since 2015. In addition to satellite terminal and 2 additional runways, the airport currently has 4 runways. Okay, understand. But now we are on number 7. Its name is George Bush Continental Airport, also known as IAH. It is 40.5 square kilometers huge. Initially named as Houston Intercontinental Airport, the airport was opened in 1969. The airport currently serves the second largest aviation hub for United Airlines. George Bush Airport has 5 terminals, Terminal A, B, C, D, and E, for both domestic and international operations. The airport has 5 runways. Okay, so we have to move on to number 6, Beijing Daxing International Airport, also known as PKX. It is 47 square kilometers huge. Beijing Daxing Airport, being 6th on the largest airports list in terms of its area size, views itself as the largest single building airport in the world. The airport was opened in 2019 and has become the main aviation hub for 3 major Chinese airlines: Air China, China Southern Airlines, Airlines and China Eastern Airlines. The first one is short from ZN H, then the second is CIH, then CEA. Okay, now you're on number 5. Orlando International Airport, also known as MCO. It is 50.9 square kilometers each. The airport started its commercial services in 1931. Orlando Airport is a major operating base for JetBlue, also JBLU, Southwest Airlines LUV, and Spirit Airlines S64 or C. Okay. Orlando Airport features a main terminal which is divided into two terminals, A and B. Each is connected to airside terminal, which operates international as well domestic. The airport has 4 runways. Now in 4, Washington Dulles International Airport. It is also known as IAD, and it is 52.6 square kilometers huge. Washington Dulles International Airport, usually known as Dulles International Airport, commenced its services in 1962. The airport is the first and main hub for United Airlines. The airport's terminal complex consists of a main terminal and 2 modified terminal buildings, concourses A/B and C/D. Dulles Airport has 4 runways. Number 3, Dallas Fort Worth International Airport, also known as DFW. It is 69.5 square kilometers huge. Dallas Fort Worth International Airport commenced its services in 1974. The airport is a major aviation hub for American Airlines, A1G or AAL. Dallas Airport has 5 terminals. Terminal is fully occupied by American Airlines. Now we are on number 2, Denver International Airport, also known as DEN. It is 135.7 square kilometers huge. It is that huge of a gap. Whoa! Denver International Airport commenced its operation in 1995. The airport is a hub for United Airlines and for Frontier Airlines, also a base for Southwest Airlines or LUV. Denver Airport has 1 terminal which is connected in 3 major modified courses A, B and C. The airport has 6 runways. Okay. Understand. Now we are moving on to number 1, King Fahd International Airport, also known as DMM. It is 776 square kilometers. It has bumped so much more. It's King Fahd International Airport, also known as Dammam Airport, was opened for operation in 1999. The airport services as a hub to Saudi Gulf Airlines and Flynas. The airport has 3 terminal buildings. The 6-story main terminal operates international and domestic flights. Aramco Terminal Services, private airlines operated by Saudi Aramco. The Royal Terminal Services, the royal family of Saudi Arabia, official guests and government officials. The Dammam Airport has 2 runways. Okay. King Fahd, the international airport, with its name, it bumped too much. It bumped like 100, I mean 639. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, share the video, and goodbye.